Power of many is our motto for this year's SPS. Many people are complaining about how bad the economy is doing right now. So we ask our members, why don't you work together? The power of many will solve many of your problems.
SPS 2025, it was great. The spirit with all the other companies on this booth, the collaboration, the great talks we had about our beloved topic, the AAS, the industry transformation, Industry 4.0, it was great.
Important topics this year are digital twins, integrating machines, and of course, cybersecurity. To make Industry 4.0 successful, it needs to be scalable, efficient, and secure. And we are working here in this OI4 community to achieve more together.
It's not one company trying to achieve one thing. We are all collaborating here, and it would only be possible because of the OI4.
Because this is one opportunity to have all of these companies collaborate and show how interoperability actually works in practice.
It really shows the community how to work together between different companies, customers, manufacturers. Also to make these demonstrators to show all the concepts we are working on in the OI4 that they work.
And that leads us to our future environment in a much faster and much more efficient way.
And we need you as a contributor as well, being part of this great community, working together with all of our other members, implementing Industry 4.0 in the way we are all dreaming about it.
We are ready to support our members to bring the first steps of digitalization or the next steps of implementing use cases into your shop floor. Our partners and members have the experience and the trust in the OI4. So come, join us and talk to us what kind of solutions you are demanding.